Hello everyone. So now we have created the database. So the next step is to create a EC2 instance and connect that database with this EC2 instance. So for that, in your search bar, type EC2 and open the EC2 dashboard. Once the dashboard is open, then click on Launch Instance to create a new EC2 instance. So we have performed this activity multiple times now, so I will move a little faster. So you will have to give a name like test EC2, select an operating system. So we will use Amazon Linux, which is the default one. No changes over here. Instance type, we want to use is T2 micro, which is free tier eligible. You will definitely need a key pair because we need to connect to this EC2 instance via SSH. So I already have a key pair. So let's select EC2 putty. Now, from a network perspective, we will use the default VPC, no preference on the subnet, auto assign public address. We will create a new security group and ensure that you have allowed SSH and allowed HTTP. This is really important because we need SSH for running the CLI commands and we need HTTP because we will be running a Tomcat server on this machine to perform operations on our application. So ensure that you have selected SSH and you have selected HTTP. Okay. Now we want 8 GB of storage. This is good enough for us. And let's create this instance. Once the instance is created, you will see a link for the same here on this page. Yeah, so we see it here, and then you can click on this option. Now, in the new version of this UI, you will see an option here also connect to a database. Okay, but we will skip this part. We will go via the standard way so that even if that option is not visible, we can connect to a RDS. So once you click on that link, then you will see a new tab opened and you will see your instance. Select this instance and go to actions and go to networking and you will see an option to connect RDS database. Click on that option. You will see here two roles, cluster and instance. Since we just created a single RDS instance and not a cluster, so we will select instance over here. We will see our database which was created, database 1, and then you just say connect. So this is how you connect your EC2 and your database. While this is happening, you will see that there were some changes to the security group which was done. Okay, so let's go and check our database and let's look at the security group of the database. This is really important because this will ensure that your EC2 is able to connect to your database. So once you are on the database screen, you will see the security groups. There are two security groups. This is the one that we created, and this is the another one. Okay. So if you get any trouble while connecting to your database from the EC2 instance, then definitely come and check your security groups. Okay. So if I look at the security group, then it says that this security group and what are my inbound rules. Inbound rules is 3306 port is enabled. Okay, and if I click on edit inbound rules, you will see that I am able to access port 3306 from this particular instance. Let's cancel this. Okay, I think that's all from a connectivity perspective.